Oh, the rain came down. It's pissing down now for a few hours. But what's really, really freaking good is the fact that there's lights in the woods, and there can't be lights where I'm seeing lights. I tried to record it before, but I couldn't record anything. It looks like a couple of twinkling orange lights in the distance, and it's very bright. It's still there. Just doesn't show up on camera because of how steep the valley is, slope. It must be up in a tree. I mean, it could be an owl, I suppose, with bright glowing eyes. I need to pee. It's fucking horrendous out there. I mean, considering I've got a lot of trees above me protecting me and 3 layers, it's really, really fucking coming down. Oh. Slowly, bloody. Look, I'm dry. It's weird because things like my army jacket, it feels damp. It's not wet, it feels it. Everything is trying to escape. Oh, back here. The ironic thing is that all my tech hanging up outside there, which you can't see through this thing. And the tech's fine. Ooh, my socks might get wet because of how windy it is. Horizontal rain. Socks are okay, but they can come in just in case. Most of the stuff I don't mind if it gets